Hello and welcome back to my channel. My name is Dr. Blossom. I'm a physical therapist, strength and wellness coach, and today I'll be talking about how many calories you need to lose weight. So if you want to learn how to calculate your calorie deficit to lose weight fast, keep watching. So in order to figure out how many calories you need to lose weight, you must find out how many calories are you burning on a given day just with your daily activities. And I'm talking about not even with exercise. So in order to find out this number, you must calculate what's called BMR. BMR stands for basal metabolic rate. And essentially that's your metabolism. So based off your age, your height, and your weight, you can calculate this number rather easily. To calculate your daily needs for energy, you have to factor into not only your metabolism, but your physical activity level, as well as something that's called thermic effect of food. The real calculation in nutrition or whatnot is TDEE, which is total daily energy expenditure. So that's the total energy that you use in one day, equals BMR, your metabolism, basal metabolic rate, plus TEE, total energy expenditure. So this is the extra activity that you're doing outside of just being alive, and TEF, thermic effect of food. So when we have all of these values, we can therefore calculate our energy needs, which is our calorie needs for the day, which is be our baseline calorie needs. So once you have that calculated, you simply have to calculate your calorie deficit. What is a calorie deficit? When we talk about a calorie deficit, we're just simply talking about energy balance, right? So you found the number that you need. You must now just take in less calories than what you need. The American College of Sports and Medicine recommends that you lose no more than 1 to 2 pounds a week. 1 pound is equal to 3,500 calories. So if you consume 3,500 calories less a week than you need based off your total energy expenditure, you will lose 1 pound a week. All right, super simple. But look at this. Let me make it even more simple. 3,500 calories a week is the same as saying 500 calories a day. So if you cut back 500 calories a day, which is as simple as cutting back on your afternoon coffee and cookies, that's 500 calories. That's probably more than 500 calories. Take that out. That's 1 pound you would be losing without even doing anything. So if you just cut back 500 calories a day in 1 week would equal 3,500 calories, which is 1 pound. All right. So you can do this by eating less food, or you can do this by being more active, or a combination of the two. So everybody's different in terms of what is easier for them to do. So you have to kind of play around and look at it like that. So honestly, I believe you don't need to count calories to lose weight. However, if you have an understanding of what calories are, it will help you lose weight quicker. What exactly is a calorie? So essentially, a calorie is a unit of energy. What does that mean? So if you remember way back in our science classes, back in the day, right? We were told energy cannot be created or destroyed. What does that mean for calories? So essentially, calories are not destroyed. They can only be transformed. Food that we take in has calories. That food then, therefore, gives us energy. So what happens to that energy? It gets transformed. We burn it off, or if we don't burn it off in heat, we store it. How does it get stored in the body? Typically, it is stored as fat, but also can be stored as glycogen, which is essentially carbohydrates that we store in our liver and in our muscles. To go back to BMR, basal metabolic rate, I've made a simple calculator for you on my blog, and let's head over to that video so we can calculate the BMR and your total energy expenditure together, so you can see just how many calories you're consuming on a daily, keeping you at your weight. So then we'll just take away 500 calories from that, and you will be on track to losing 1 pound a week. It's that simple. Head over to my BMR video and we'll really do a full calculation and find out how much you need exactly to lose weight fast.